and welcome to Grandad's Reviews. Today we're going to have a look at folders on your Fuji camera. When you go into the menus, you'll see there's an option when you go into the spanner under the Save Data Setup. You see there's an option for Select Folder. When you go into there, you've got Select Folder, which there's nothing in, or Create a Folder. And I thought of just showing a bit of a scenario where this might be helpful. I'm going to do a video on these vintage lenses, and I've got a Chinon 28, I've got an Olympus 50 and a Minolta 50 as well. And I'm going to be taking shots on each one. So what I thought I would do is put folders on the camera. So that'll be a good opportunity to show how folders work. Now they're not very intuitive on how to set them up, so bear with me. So you go into the menu, you go to the wrench, Save Data Setup, Select Folder, Create Folder. And here we can create a folder. So we'll delete everything that's already in there, and we'll do the Chinon. So what I'm going to do myself is a C, a H, and then it's the 28mm, 28, so Chinon 28. But you have to fill the box. So this one is a 2.8, so I'll put 2. And now we've got set on the actual setup. So I'll go to set, go set. Now what you need to do next, and which isn't very obvious here, is to come out of that, take a photo. Anything will do. Right, now when you go back in, you'll see you've got a folder created. If you don't take a photo after you've created a folder, it won't create a folder. So I'm going to create another folder, delete what we got in, and we'll do the Olympus. So O M, it's a 50mm, and this is a 1.8, so we'll just put 1, finish that off. Set, come back out, take a shot, go back in, select folder, and in the select folder now we've got 2 folders. So create another folder, and this one will be the Minolta, so I'll call it MD, this is a 50 as well, and this is a 1.7, so I'll call it a 1 as well. So you're limited to 5 numbers or letters. Set, come out, take a shot. Now, in select folder we've got the 3 folders. So what I can do now is, when I've shooting with the Chinon, select the CH282, the Chinon 28mm. We'll select that. Now I take a number of random shots. 1, 2, 3, 4 shots. If we go and look in that folder, there's now 5 shots in that one. So if we want to select the next folder, so we're going to take the shots with the Olympus. 1, just do 2 on that one, and have a look, and 3 frames and the 5 frames. So then when we come to the next one, which will be the Minolta, we'll take some more photos. Take a few on this one. There we go. Go into the folders. So we've got 6 frames on that, 5 in that. So now when I come back to the computer, take the SD card out, put it in the computer, I can drag those folders off, and I've got them already in named folders, so it'll be handy for that. So if you're doing an event, let's say you're doing a wedding and you wanted to have getting dressed, arriving, service, reception, you could put those folders on the camera and then pick where the images are going to go into. I don't think it's going to be useful in every situation, but so that's a quick look at folders on the Fuji cameras. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and be notified, hit the bell button. Till next time, see you later.